me show you the simple way to tie this unique head wrap. So join me, let's do it. This is my material, so I'm going to fold it into 2 equal parts. So after the folding, just watch my hand. We're going to make pleats from this sideways. Okay, you see I'm pleating it sideways. Fold everything like this. You can see how the 2 parts I picked up and I begin to pleat down. So pleat everything and arrange properly. Pleat everything down like this. So once you're done, grab your band, secure it with your band, and after that you have this, then stretch on your head. Okay, your horn might be bigger than this depending on the length of your material, but this one is 3 layers joined. And you go to the back, grab the excess and secure with another elastic band. So I'm taking my bit by bit so that I'll be able to secure it because it is small. So eventually I grabbed everything and secure with the elastic band. So I'll still be coming back to that back to adjust, but let's come to the front now. So I'll adjust this side as well. Then this one that we pleated earlier, so I can decide to just pin one side down and adjust the center and all of that. And now I'm back here. I'll just come back and stretch the part at the back down, at the back out, okay, to give me one shape because I want to cover the elastic band there. So I have this at the back. Okay, just walk around it. You need to cover the band, so stretch it out and it gives me this. So here's the front. I can go out like that, or I can decide to wrap it together at the center with an office pin like this. I'll just put the both angles together and secure with an office pin. So it's either I go for the first one, this second one, or I'll still show another way, which is the third one. So here's the second one. I added my brooch and here's me. So let's go for the third one. You can stretch it. Remember, I use elastic band, so stretch it sideways. Okay, this is the first side. Adjust, go to the other side, and also spread it there and pin down. I'm going to pin the both edges, okay, and secure. So once you are done, the band will show if you are not using the color of your fabric. So find a way to beautify it with flowery material or probably your brooch. Just make sure it is covered. So here's the last part, guys. Follow for more. Bye.